Lots of people need to wear a face shield at work, maybe for protection from chemical splash, or maybe impact protection from projectiles. This is one of our most popular. This is the ProChoice Faceshield. Now this is supplied with a clear visor on the front. People may not realise that that clear visor can be replaced, so if it gets scratched, that can be removed and replaced. It can also be replaced with alternative visors like this one. This is a smoke outdoor one. Great for working outside when the sun is bright and it's just bright outside, it's glary. This one here is a shade 5 visor. That's great for Oxywork, so it's just particularly dark. There's also a stainless steel mesh replacement visor too. That can be used for maybe brush cutting work or chainsaw work. There's ventilation through the visor. Speak with the team at your local SafetyQuip branch for further information.